Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Welcome to Custom Tool Venture. Thanks so much for choosing my channel. You are welcome. For the returning subscribers, I say kudos to you, and for newcomers, you are welcome. You are in the right place. Feel comfortable, sit back and watch to the end. Make sure you don't miss any aspect of this. You will love it. Okay, let's stay back. Okay, in today's video I will be showing us on how to sew this simple boubou. It's a simple one. I need the length 59 for both sewing the edges, so 59. Okay, and so what is the next thing I'll be cutting? I'll be cutting the sweetheart neckline. I'm using 3 inches wide, and then I'm using 6 inches deep. Okay, by now you should know that your cloth ought to be on fold. You fold your cloth into 2, because I have the back and the front panel, so I'm working on one of the panel because I'm using the same neckline for both of them. So I'm cutting the sweetheart neck design. So I have 6 inches. Half of 6 inches is 3, which I crossed across. Okay, so now I want to bring out the shape of the sweetheart. So from the middle of the 3, I will navigate it to the down part to create the cuff. So if you have the cuff roller, beautiful. In absence of the cuff roller, use your free hand. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I want to create the shoulder slant. I will come down by 1 inch and then connect it to the neckline. You know, the shoulder is not straight, it's a bit bent, so for your cloth to fall on your shoulder very well, you need to clear the shoulder slant. So the next thing, I'm cutting it out, and you can see how beautiful the sweetheart neck came out. Very simple, no stress. And so I will be using this one to cut the second side. Okay, you can see the second side is also cut. Both the front and the back panel are now available. Okay, we now need to take the body measurement, and the body measurement I have here is 52 inches. So I will need to divide the 52 inches into 4. Okay, you can just calculate that straight off. 52 divided by 4, you have 13. But in a situation where you cannot calculate like that, fold your tape rule. It's very simple. This life is not difficult. 52, fold it into 2, you have 26. 26, fold it into 2, you have 13. Simple as ABC. Wow. So let's go on and then put the tape rule, measure it. And so we have our 13 here. You can see it, our 13. That's the measurement for the body. Okay, so if you have watched it this time and you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe so that the video can keep going. And make sure you do share it, please. Share it. And I'm also waiting for you in the comment section. So what you see me do is I'm measuring the armhole, and I'm using 10 for the armhole because it's boubou, so it has to be a free kind of cloth. So I measure the armhole as a okay. Let me get to the machine first. Let me go and put the fixing, then I come back to put the sleeve. That is where the work is, how to put our funnel sleeve into our cloth. Inbuilt funnel sleeve, not separate one. Okay, so you can see now that I've put the facing and I've joined the shoulder. I put the facing, so I'm going to give it a good ironing. I'm going to iron it very well, but that's not where we are going. Let's get to how to cut the sleeve this time around. Okay, you fold your cloth into 4 places. Okay, fold it into 4. Here is it. And so we now measure the the sleeve very well from the shoulder to 10. That is where our armhole and the opening of our sleeve ought to be. Okay, and remember the body measurement is 13, so we measure our 13. Mark it, mark where your 13 is. So when you mark it, look at where your 10 is, the wideness of the sleeve 10. Mark it very well and make sure you join the 13 measurement to the 10 measurement. But because of this funnel sleeve we want to sew, so from shoulder now I measure 14, no more 10. 14 because it's funnel sleeve we are doing. So 14, mark where your 14 is and then trace your body measurement very well, 13. Okay, so look at it very well, look at it closely, how we're going to achieve our funnel sleeve. And now, okay, so you can see where I put it from the end of that 14 that I measured, and I rule it to where the armpit supposed to be, where your armhole joint supposed to be. You can see now, you can see it's going to give us like a triangle kind of shape. Okay, that is what we are going to cut. So let's go into it. Let's say we're going to do the cutting. Can you see? Can you see your funnel sleeve is already coming out? Okay, if your cloth is bigger, your funnel sleeve will come out very well. So much. Thank you so much for staying till now. Bye. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye and God bless you.
Beautiful.